Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's World. This is my husband Darrius.
Hey, how y'all doing out there?
Alright, and I just want to say happy Father's Day to all of the fathers. Okay, so today will be my first mukbang. Mukbang, however you like to say it. And today we will be eating crab legs, potatoes, and corn. Now this is Darrius' first time eating crab legs, so I thought I'd do this for him on Father's Day. And I also used some of Miss B Love's recipe, Miss B Love's life recipe, to make her smackalicious sauce that she used for her crab legs. Okay, and I'm just gonna show you guys a picture of everything. Yeah, so this is what everything looks like. Looks real nice. Okay, and that's nice little seasoning. I cooked this myself. Here's the sauce, and that's the reason why it looks like it's separating at the bottom is onions and garlic, and the butter is just rising to the top because this is the butter sauce. Okay. All right. So, me and Darrius is about to get ready to eat. All right, so
After you.
need to put this on your plate. So, how was you all's day been?
Yeah, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. It's been a happy day for me so far.
All right, so we're gonna get ready to dive right on in. I'm gonna show Darrius how to do it. Oh,
You made that look easy.
look at that.
Pop right on up.
Gonna dip it in the sauce. Now, this is my first time tasting the B Love Smackalicious sauce, and I followed the recipe. I followed it step by step in the recipe, and I would say it is very good. It's like a sweet heat sauce, okay? I don't have any lemon, so we're just gonna have to rely on the sauce.
Crab meat. First time. Boy, that sauce, I gotta get ready for the sauce.
All right.
Yeah, that sauce is hot. Sauce is the kicker.
Whew. Caught me off guard. I think I did a good job.
Yeah, it tastes real nice, real nicely seasoned.
All right.
That shit almost like a crab mouth.
Oh yeah, that's a claw.
Ooh, that shit's like, it hurt a bit. They grab you. It's a crab, man. It's a crab.
That crab will get you like Ooh, you crazy.
This part right here tastes good too.
You getting all up in there, ain't you?
That's good.
You need me some flowers or something. Cause I got some, I know I got some meat still over here somewhere. The corn good.
Yes, some extra sweet corn.
Everything is nice this season.
Glad you like it.
Yeah, I got work over here. I got that work. Food falling out my mouth. I got that work though.
Glad you're enjoying it. I'm gonna dip my potato in some of that smackalicious sauce.
Well, you know, I've been looking forward to see what all this crab meat mess was about. So, what better day to do it than on Father's Day? Something new.
Did it live up to the hype?
Hey, I think it's pretty fair. You know what I'm saying? It's my first time, so you know I can't judge it all the way up, and I can't judge it all the way down. So, you know, I just give it a fair judgment because you know I say I definitely look forward to eating it again, and you know, and I feel like that says a lot.
Okay. Well, I'll cook it. I'll definitely cook it again. Point.
The corn is on point too.
Okay.
You know, it's been a while since I had an ear of corn, so that was a bunch of meat right there. You got a mouthful of meat.
Yep. I look like in a joint.
Yeah. Where the meat? Where's the meat?
Yep. So, you guys, I had purchased some snow crab legs and claws. Got it from Sam's. It's pretty good. I like it because I love seafood. See, this is Darrius' first time eating it, so he gotta really just eat it all to really tell, you know, how he feel about it afterwards.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see the price. So, yeah, over there in the Dominican Republic, it was just reported that a lot of people, you know, that went over there, you know, tourists, and got sick, and some people died.
Yeah, what I heard. I heard folks died, and they ain't really got no explanation as to why. But they said the people that live there ain't dying. It's just people like it was some Americans that died or whatever. So you know, something real
Well, you know, just after
fishy about that.
After something happens, you just got to be cautious.
Yeah.
So, but how you say you feel about the crab legs? What it tastes like?
It kind of remind you of fish, but at the same time, it's just still something different from
It's
fish.
got like a little bit more of a sea taste, huh?
Yeah.
Like a ocean taste. Ooh, getting in that claw. Look at that meat. Look at that meat.
I need a little sauce for that right there.
Okay. Just a little bit.
How B-Love do it, baby. Yeah, we be watching you, B-Love. I know you ain't gonna see us though.
Beloved's Life is my favorite YouTuber. Favorite YouTube channel. I love Beloved's Life. Would love to do a collab with Miss Beloved.
No, you might have to get your eat game up. You want to run with Beloved.
Oh, she will definitely eat me up under the table.
I don't know how she do it.
And still be fine as wine afterwards.
Yeah, you don't even see it.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, I got one more skinny leg left before I get back to the big boy. Do the skinny leg. Do the skinny leg.
Now we're going to have to split this baby here.
Oh, that's the grand finale.
Yeah, so you're going to get 2 legs and I get 2 legs. Did you get that? Did you have this?
Yeah, I had that.
Okay.
But I ain't know what to do with it.
Yeah, you eat it. You eat it too.
Oh, okay. Hey, you gotta teach me. See, you gotta teach me. Okay. I didn't know I was supposed to eat that.
Well, now you know. I might need to go grab some more corn. I didn't know that we was going.
Oh, you got some more corn?
Yeah, I got some more corn. I didn't know we was gonna eat it like
that. Oh yeah, that corn. I can eat 2 more of them. To balance it out.
Okay, so we're about to finish up. Some more corn and potatoes.
It's like a brand new one here. Gotta eat it like I ate the last one. Break that thing on up. Oh yeah, shout out to B-Love.
Shout out to Miss Beloved.
Look at that. I wasn't even expecting that. I'm trying to get meat from here, and I done pulled it up out of there, and there it is. Can I get a little sauce for that? Great.
My husband's so silly, y'all. That's good though, because sometimes I'm just dull and boring, and he makes the balance.
Yeah, I'm a little excited. I might have to pipe down a little bit.
Nah, baby, just keep being you. Little be love so. Almost done.
Ooh.
I know we talk about Miss B Love a lot, but I just want to say that Miss B Love is the one that got me inspired into starting to become a YouTuber. She showed me step by step on what to do if you want to become a YouTuber. So if you haven't, you need to check that video out. How to become a YouTuber. B Love's Life.
Word.
I'm a new and upcoming YouTuber. All because of Miss B Love. She inspired me. I love to cook. I love to eat. I'm all about family. Alright guys, so that's the end. Thank you for watching Nisha's World. Subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. Peace.